New listings were down 25% in Annapolis from the end of November, and the median sold price fell 16.8% to $573,000 at the end of 2025. It's Friday, January 16th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to resource for all things real estate in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. The median sales price in 2025 for Annapolis was $620,000, up 3.3% from 2024's $600,000. Available overall Annapolis inventory rose by 2 units from last report, with a median list price of $624,410, reflecting a 2.5% reduction in the median list price. 14 units are scheduled is coming soon at a median list price of $734,950. 18 homes went under contract in 11 days at a median $596,944. 19 homes sold for 97.1% list to sold ratio in 36 days, with a median sales price of $820,000. And a Harness Creek waterfront sold at $9,600,000 for all cash. Rentals fell to 49 units for lease, but holding at a median $3,000 per month. Do you have questions about a specific circumstance? Give me a call and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, January 16th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.